Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and today I want to talk about my latest online course, how to make and use 4 plant-based inks. From tea, avocado pits, walnut hulls, and from red or yellow onion skins. While we all love a trip to the art supply store or the craft store, there is something really meaningful and satisfying about making your own art supplies. And if you make them from nature or from found objects, that's even truer. And that truth and that connection will show up on your page and in your projects. And I believe that. On a less metaphysical note, it's also super budget friendly. It's very affordable. It's fun, it's resourceful, and it's pretty much a zero waste art supply. And who doesn't love that? So let's go to the table, join me, and see what you think. These are not dyes, they're inks. And as ink, it lends itself well to hand lettering with a dip pen or a brush, to painting, mixed media work, and mark making. In the introduction to this course, I talk about plant ink making basics, and then go on to show recipes for 4 different inks. The first is avocado pit. And it is going to give this ruby garnet, rich garnet color. There's tea. And that has a nice caramel or a parchment tint. Walnut hulls. And this may be the supply that not everybody has access to. But if you do, you are going to get a beautiful mahogany dark chocolate color. And finally, how to make an ink from red or yellow onion skins. And here you're going to get, again, a sort of a garnet with a copper undertone. After you've learned how to make one or all of the inks, the next section will show you how to do some mark making with them using found and foraged objects. It will show you how to use your inks to make abstract work with some wet on wet, some pouring, and some pooling. And there's also a video on how to use your inks in mixed media methods. Some with a spritzer for some drizzling, with a stencil, stamping, and other mixed media basics. Some of this material has already been on YouTube, but if you missed it, now it's going to be all in one place and you'll know where it is. This online class is an hour and 40 minutes in content, and it's $15 USD. The lessons are downloadable, so you can put them on your device and take them with you on the road. And I know a lot of you are going to be on the road in the upcoming holiday season. The link to this video, if you'd like to sign up, is below this video. If you tried last week to enroll and couldn't get through, I apologize, and I thank you for your patience, but technology was messing me about last week. It should be good to go now. There we go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure and turn on the notifications. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments below. And until later, happy making.